I've learned a lot in my construction and carpentry classes. I can learn the basic things on how to read the tape measure and hit a nail with a hammer and screw in a screw and all that. But there's a lot more advanced things that we learned too. We've learned how to build a shed, roof a shed, side a shed, all that type of stuff. There's also a lot of equipment we have in the shop that I've never used before, like a joiner and a planer. It's really fun to learn how to use new stuff so you know it if you need that skill in your future. Uh, we're always packed pretty tight in our shop. It's pretty small for the amount of kids that take these construction classes and carpentry classes these days. I like seeing that all these kids are wanting to go into the trade industry, but we definitely need more room to properly teach everybody and be more efficient with our learning. I think we could introduce things like HVAC, electrical, plumbing, stuff like that. I think that'd be huge. I love giving back to the community and doing these community projects. It's really good for us. It's a good way to learn. But with the Career Center, we would have way more space. We built a couple sheds in our shop. It's always packed tight when we do that. We have a lot of other projects going on when we're building these. A small amount of equipment in the shop. We only have one table saw. And two miter saws. Miter saws get used all the time. We're always fighting for them. Same with the table saw. The dust collector system, it's just not big enough for what we got going. We can only have 2 or 3 of the things open before they start backing up and just spraying wood dust everywhere. These classes are great. You can design buildings, design literally anything, nuts, bolts, you can design whatever you want. But the computers we're dealing with right now, we don't have enough. There's a lot of kids taking these classes. It's a cool class to learn. They're slow. Our CAD program is old, so we can't do as much as we could with the newer program.